how to transfer money from RBC to another online bank. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to transfer money from RBC to another bank. So the procedure is very simple. You have to go and log in into your account first of all. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. From the home page, go ahead and tap on the transfer button. As you press the transfer button, next thing what you have to do is you just need to go ahead and as you press the transfer button, then what next you have to do is you need to select the bank account or the recipient details, or you could just manually enter in the information. When you're done entering the information, moving on, you need to enter the exact amount that you wish to transfer, write a review, and then you could review the terms and conditions, schedule a date, all of that, and confirm the transaction. That is how you can transfer money from RBC to another bank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.